This year's Tendring Jobs and Skills Fair was a vibrant hub of opportunity, drawing job seekers from across the region to explore careers in unexpected ways. From simulating F1 car tire changes and practicing CPR to climbing virtual wind turbines, the event transformed abstract job roles into tangible, hands-on experiences. Held at the Princess Theatre in Clacton on the 25th of September, the day brought together residents, employers, and training providers to showcase real-world opportunities that bridge the gap between education and employment. Organized by Tendring District Council in collaboration with the Department for Work and Pensions, Jobcentre Plus, the fair is a flagship event of the Tendring4Growth Business Fortnight, an initiative aimed at fostering economic growth through community engagement. This year, over 1,000 attendees participated, engaging with exhibitors spanning industries like renewable energy, healthcare, and hospitality. The event's try before you apply philosophy encouraged visitors to experience jobs firsthand, whether through cooking demos, VR-based simulations, or interactive workshops designed to demystify complex professions. One standout success story emerged from Brightlingsea Harbor, which has hired 4 individuals from the fair in the past 4 years. At last year's event, a participant named Millie left a lasting impression on Deputy Harbor Master Owen Evans. Though no roles were available at the time, her enthusiasm and positive attitude earned her a full-time administrative assistant position. The role at Brightlingsea Harbor looked very different from anything I'd done before, but I wanted to learn more, and I'm really enjoying it, Millie shared, highlighting the fair's ability to open doors to new possibilities. Owen Evans emphasized the fair's long-term impact. We've had great success hiring through the Jobs and Skills Fair over the years. Millie stood out immediately, and we're delighted to have her on the team. Councillor Ivan Henderson, who oversees economic growth initiatives, added, "It's inspiring to see so many people engaging with new opportunities and discovering what's possible for their future." Events like this are about more than just jobs. They're about raising aspirations and helping people realize their potential, just like Millie has done. Our vision for Tendring is to build a district where everyone feels empowered to grow, learn, and succeed. The Tendring4Growth Business Fortnight continues with a series of free events tailored to business owners, including sessions on supporting startups and revitalizing town centers. For more information and to book free tickets, visit the Tendring4Growth Eventbrite page. But here's where it gets interesting. While the fair focuses on job readiness, the broader goal is to create a community where career paths are as diverse and dynamic as the people who pursue them. What do you think? Does your local area offer enough opportunities to spark your next big step? Share your thoughts in the comments below.